Okay, students, in class 10, there are two types of files. One is called report file, another is called project work. तो ये जो आपके पास वर्क मिला है, that is for your report file. So in this, there are some activities. So according to the guidelines given here, you will have to create the web page. So for example, here is a activity 1, write HTML code to display the web page in the given format. So here is a your heading, and that is in the underline, and then there is a list. This is an order list, and type is equal to capital A. So there are some guidelines, you will have to follow the guidelines, और आपने एक web page create करना है. Now Raghav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any problem in creating the web page, these web pages?
No, sir.
ठीक है, यहाँ पे there is a horizontal line is there. ठीक है, you will have to type the code in notepad and see the browser view. Activity 2, activity 3, ऐसे ही आपके पास, ये आपके पास activity 2 is for unordered list, then activity 3 is for definition list, then activity 4, it is for from nested list, and activity 5, there is a table, and activity 6, there is a image with list, and activity 4, there are some contents, there is one picture, and there is a some contents are there. Now the question is how to make your IT report file, report file. Okay, students, for making the there is a activity 8, there is a also there is a form. So there is a text box, there is a text box. These are the radio button, these are the check box. Now the question is how to create this file. You will create the coding. Now whenever you will create the file, I am giving one demo in browser, sorry, in any word processor. First of all, apply different formatting effects, like you will have to insert here border, page border, then there are page designs are there, border designs are there, width is there, then okay. Next is here in the, look at here, date, page number, activity number and page border. So ये formatting के part है. So look at here, I type here, suppose date is June 2021, then page number. We can also apply header and footers, but even then आप उसको उसके you can change it. Look at here, आपके ऊपर कैसे अपने करना है. Okay, next is after that, अब हमने क्या करना है कि एक्टिविटी 1, ओके, एक्टिविटी 1, अब हमने क्या करना है कि जो आपने नोटपैड में कोडिंग टाइप की थी, look at here, I am taking any example. For example, here is a form. I am just taking one example. I open this in notepad and copy the coding and come to the your file, then you paste the coding. So this is activity 1, HTML coding. First you will place HTML coding in a page. After that, suppose it covered 1.5 page, so you will blank that page. You will not display anything there. Then in next page, again activity 1, here is browser view. Okay, now whenever you will open this this web page in browser, open this web page in browser. So look at here, what you will do here, you will press open the web page in browser and then press your print screen button. तो हमने print screen button press करना है. So I press print screen button, then come to your document, come to your file, and in this file press Ctrl plus V. So look at here. Now apply the border on this image. Like this. So one page will be of coding. Page number 2 again. There the date and page number will be on every page. This is page number 2. Then page number 3, like this. So any doubt in this? It means coding, then browser view. So notepad view, browser view, like this. Activity 1, this is coding, or you can say HTML coding, or you can say notepad view. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से आपने कोडिंग और ब्राउजर व्यू दोनों करने हैं. एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इन द इंडेक्स you will have to create the index page. ठीक है, in index page what you will do, date, look at here, I am doing that. You will type here index, centralize this, increase its size, then insert table. First is for date, second is activity name, third is page number, and next is for signature. Okay, so this is for date, this is for activity, this is for page number, and this is for signature. Then post date is 15 June 2021. Here is activity 1. Okay, now look at here in activity 1 name is HTML code. Okay, you copy the name of your activity here, and then page number here is page number 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this space will be empty. This cell will be empty because this teacher will sign here. Then next is second activity, then third activity, fourth activity, like this. So you will create index. In index there is no any header and footer, there is no any date and page number. Okay, next is your title page. Beta, your title page must be very attractive. Look at here, I am going to create your title page. Title page, the first page of your, look at here. Here is computer applications, name of your chapter, and this is report file. I think it is not a IT report file. I am just checking. This is in your CBSE curriculum. It is report file, I think so. I am just checking. It is computer applications. Okay, students, it is a report file. Okay, in place of IT report file, you can use the report file, not a IT report file. This is report file. Then session 2020-21 submitted by, here you will type your teacher name. And listen here, your teacher name is Dinesh Nanda, and use the word Mr. before the teacher name. Give respect to your teacher. Then type your name. Okay, like Baljinder Kaur. Then in next line, it is 10th B, या क्लास एंड सेक्शन लिख दो यहाँ पे, क्लास 10th B. Here is roll number 5, and in the bottom, name of the school and address. Don't use school logo. Okay, moreover, you can also paste any computer image, download it from internet. Copy the image, paste it. So look at here. So this will be the title page. Okay, students, any doubt? Title page, then there will be index, then you will start your coding and other things will be there. Okay, so first there will be your title page, second is index, and after that you will start your file, first activity and then second activity, notepad view, and then your browser view. Okay, students, any doubt? Yes, Raghav.
सर हम MS वर्ड को छोड़ के किसी में भी बना सकते हैं ना?
बेटा देखो, this is your creativity. Even then you can use PowerPoint. Okay, so there is no any hard and fast rule. Remember one thing: if your page are portrait, your title will be also portrait. Okay, if your pages are in landscape, your title must be front page must be in landscape. So follow the same sequence. You can use any. You can use the writer or MS Word or any software. This is your choice. Raghav, clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this
Yes, yes, बेटा. भूमिका.
सर ये फाइल जो है वो हमने पीडीएफ में बनानी है ना?
देखो, you will create the PDF of this file, submit to your teacher, but in future you will save this file because there are some. This is not a complete file. There are some more program which we will discuss, give you later on, and at the end, I think the situation will be all right, and then you will get the printout of this and for your final practical. Is it clear? You will save
sir.
this.
Thank you.
You will save this file in your. You will take the backup of this file. Okay, students. Now I am coming to the topic. Yesterday we discussed different controls, radio buttons. Then we discuss check boxes are there. In case you want to insert any button, the way is input type is equal to submit, and another button I am going to insert input type equal to reset. I am saving this. So look at here, submit button and reset. Reset means if I am typing something and suppose my data is wrong, I click on reset button. So everything will be deleted and you can enter new data. And when you click on submit button, your data will go to the script page. So this is your buttons. Next is there is also a tag, button tag is there, but in some browser button tag is not working. I'm just checking. Look at here, taking here button. I'm just checking with her because in some browsers it create problem. I'm saving this, refreshing the page. It's working better. Okay, so you can use the button tag or input tag. Next is there is if you want to type in, you want to give the input in multiple lines in place of single line. Suppose I want to give here address. Okay, I want to give here address. I will use br then address. Then there is a one tag that is called text area. Text area. Rows. Suppose I want to take 5 rows. And columns, calls. I want to take 15 columns. And then you will have to close text area. It is a container tag. I am saving this in browser. Look at here. So look at here, address. So by default, these are 5 by 15, but you can enter the more data. No any problem here. So this is called your text area. Any doubt in this? Yashit, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
But there is a one problem. You look at here. The your form is not systematical. Look at your name and the text boxes are in a different locations. Okay, for this you can use this within the table. Look at here how I can how we can do this. In order to organize your data. So I'm taking here table tag, then start with tr, then start td, use after form tag. Okay, after form tag आपने use करना है इसको. तो यहाँ पे मैंने form tag, then start table. In first td we will take name, and after that I will close the td and then start new td, and then I take input. Okay, and after that no need to use br. I close the tr and then start tr again, then td. Here will be password, then I will close the td, and then we will start td again, and here is second component, and then I close tr and then start tr again, take here td, and then td close, then again start td. Here is a text area, and then text area close, then td close, and after that tr close, then we take tr again, then TD, then here TD close. So input here is text box, then here is father name, then we start TD again, and then TD close, then TR close, we start TR again, then TD, here is a gender, and then TD close, again TD start, and after here, after inserting your check boxes, radio buttons, I close TD and then start close TR and start TR again, and then TD qualification, and after that after qualification, here TD, and here TR close, and then TR start. In first TD we will give a submit button, and in second TD we will give reset button, and then we close TR, and then we close table. I am saving this web page, and after that look at here, data is totally organized. Yashit, clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now during your vacations, practice these things, because you will have to create your file. If you have any doubt in this your IT report file, you can send message to me. Okay. Enjoy your vacations. Also study. Okay, beta. Take care. Bye, beta.